In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Ryanair. If your flight has been disrupted and you need to start the refund process, this walkthrough will show you where to go and what information to prepare so you can complete it smoothly. The process is fairly straightforward, but it helps to know exactly which page to open and what details you'll need before you begin. Start by opening Google and typing refund Ryanair into the search bar. This should bring up the most relevant Ryanair support results related to refunds. Using search can be a quick way to get to the correct help page, especially if you do not want to navigate through the airline's full website menu manually. Once the search results appear, click on the option labeled Refunds. This should take you to Ryanair's help section dedicated to refund-related topics. Make sure you are on the official Ryanair help page before continuing, since you'll eventually be entering personal and booking information. On the refunds page, look for the article titled, "How do I apply for a refund in case of a flight disruption?" and click on it. This section is specifically designed for passengers whose flights have been affected and who need to submit a refund request through the correct channel. Opening the right article matters because it gives you access to the form linked to that type of issue. After that, find the link for the verification form and click it. This is the form you'll use to confirm your booking details and begin the actual refund request process. If the page contains a lot of text, take a moment to read carefully so you do not miss the correct link. Next, fill in your travel details along with your personal information. Enter everything carefully and make sure the information matches your booking exactly. Small mistakes can slow down validation or cause problems when your request is reviewed, so it's worth double checking as you go. You'll also need to include your booking reference and your contact email address. These details are especially important because they help Ryanair identify your reservation and contact you about the status of your request. Be sure to use an email address you can access easily since any updates or follow-up messages may be sent there. Once everything is filled in, click Validate. This submits your details for verification and moves you to the next stage of the refund process. Before clicking, quickly review all fields one last time to make sure there are no typing errors. And that's how to request a refund on Ryanair. If you follow these steps carefully and enter your information accurately, the process should be much easier to complete.